All right, this is our last construction that we're gonna do. The incenter is the fourth center of the triangle that we've learned about. It's the point of concurrency of the angle bisectors of a triangle. The incenter is equidistant to the three sides, and it's the point from which you can inscribe a circle inside the triangle. So in order to do this construction, we first need the angle bisectors. I'm going to bisect this angle first. We learned how to do this in our last unit. So if I put the pointy part of my compass on the vertex of that angle and draw an arc, from the two spots where the arc hit the side of the angle, I'm gonna, without changing my compass, come in and draw another arc. Ooh, you know what? I think I moved that a little. I'm gonna come in and draw another arc there and another arc here. And where my arcs intersect is where I'm gonna draw my angle bisector. So I know that that moved on me a little bit. I'm gonna line it up with this point right here. And then I'm gonna draw this like as precisely as possible. All right, so this angle has been bisected. So I have to do the other angle bisectors as well. All right, so on this angle, I'm gonna draw this arc, and then kind of the same thing from those two spots without changing the compass, come in and find two more arcs. Right, and then I'm going to draw my angle bisector. All right, so this should be the incenter, but we really need to check by bisecting one more angle. Let me just turn my paper this way. All right, so I'm gonna do my final arc here, go to that spot, do an arc there, do an arc there. And I'm hoping, these are hard to get perfect. I think mine's off a little bit. So that when I, draw that, we should have the incenter now. Okay, so if I turn this around and look at it, these don't go through each other exactly perfectly, but it's really tough because it's easy to make a mistake with angle bisectors. And I know the first time I did it, my compass moved on me, so it's possible that happened twice. So the last step is we want to make the inscribed circle. And so the inscribed circle is going to be equidistant to the three sides of the triangle. So when I say it's equidistant, it's going to, I know that the center, the incenter is going to be equidistant to each of the three sides. And I'm not going to be super precise about it, but I want to kind of think about a side or a length that's going to be perpendicular. So like if I kind of approximate from my incenter a side that's going to be perpendicular or a length perpendicular to that side, I expect the circle to touch the triangle about there. And if I come over here and I imagine kind of where I think I see a right angle, I'm expecting it to touch the triangle right about here. And if I turn it this way, I'm imagining that there's a right angle there, so that's probably where the circle is going to touch. So I'm just doing that to think about where to set my compass. I'm going to put the pointy part on the incenter. And my goal, and this is tough, is to try to create the circle that touches the triangle exactly on all three sides. And it's hard to do these perfect, and I'll be pretty impressed. Oh, mine's already on the outside. Okay, so that wasn't actually a super good one. If you get it perfect, your incenter would be right where it needs to be, and we'll actually get the inscribed circle.